Okay. When I hit the club, all the bitches show me love, getting on their knees, then I'm getting my dick sucked. I don't give a fuck, nigga, that's a life what? Gotta get money, gotta get dough, that's my what? That's my goddamn income though. Gotta get it on my rhymes, I'm a fucking pro. I'm a fucking pro, then I'm gon' hit the club in my 2-6 dub, in my 2-6 dub. 2-6 dub when I fucking hit the street. Go so hard cause I'm popping on the beat, popping with the heat, steady gripping. I don't give a fuck, I leave niggas dipping, cause I'm fucking GD. Put my niggas up, look, can you see me? Can you see me? Blood, what it do? Can you see me? Cuz what it do? Chill with my niggas, yeah, I'm a fool, I don't give a damn. Define the rules, yes sir, steady get the flippin'. When the cops come, steady get the dippin'. Steady get the dippin', cause these niggas trippin'. Tryna arrest me for what I did that. Nah nigga, gotta get it though. Bust that a motherfucking hoe nigga, that's for sure. Bust that a hoe nigga, that's for fucking show. Then my papa gon' forget. Nigga, that's for sure, that's my word. Nigga, I'ma serve all the crack addicts. If you ain't no money, I'm back at it. Back at what I used to do when I was out banging with the crew.